Real stories, how Acacia Fiber changed my life. For many people, gut health issues can be a constant source of frustration and discomfort. If you've been struggling with digestive problems, bloating, or other gut-related concerns, you're not alone. But there is hope. In this video, we'll share real-life stories from individuals who have experienced significant health improvements by incorporating Acacia Fiber into their diet. Meet Sarah. For years, I dealt with daily bloating and irregularity, says Sarah, a busy working mom. I tried various remedies, but nothing seemed to work long-term. Then I discovered Acacia Fiber. Within a few weeks, I noticed a remarkable difference. My bloating subsided and my digestion became regular. I finally feel like I have control over my gut health, and it's been a game-changer for my overall well-being. Meet David. I used to suffer from constant fatigue and low energy, shares David, an active gym enthusiast. Despite maintaining a healthy lifestyle, I struggled to feel my best. After reading about the benefits of prebiotics, I decided to try Acacia Fiber. I was amazed by the results. My energy levels increased and I felt more focused and motivated throughout the day. Now Acacia Fiber is a staple in my daily routine. Meet Emily. As someone with a sensitive digestive system, I often experience discomfort after trying new foods, explains Emily, a food blogger. Acacia Fiber has been a lifesaver. It helps me maintain digestive balance and allows me to enjoy a wider variety of foods without worrying about negative reactions. It's truly given me back the freedom to explore different culinary experiences. These are just a few examples of how Acacia Fiber has positively impacted the lives of many individuals. While everyone's experience is unique, these stories highlight the potential benefits of incorporating Acacia Fiber into your routine. As a prebiotic fiber, it nourishes the good bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthy gut microbiome and contributing to overall well-being. Ready to embark on your own journey to improved gut health? We encourage you to learn more about Acacia Fiber and its potential benefits. Remember, everyone's journey is different, and it's always recommended to consult your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or supplement routine.